Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach you English. So let us start. Today's date is 12th April 2022. Okay, today first lesson is lesson number 1, Rain in the Night. Okay, this is the poem. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. This is LL, this is will. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens in the cart. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new place. But first, I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Written by Amela Josephine Burr. Thank you for watching.